What's up, YouTube? This is my son Anthony. We're having a discussion like, where would you go to get your car fixed? So I asked my son, I said, well, where would you go get your car fixed? Because he's going to be a new driver next month. If your dad didn't own a shop and was a master mechanic, what would you do? So what'd you say?
I said, I don't know.
He said he doesn't know. Has no idea. All right, so now since he's 17, like, all right, my thought process would be, all right, you would ask somebody, hey, I'm having problems with my car, or, you know, if you're a bit more, you have a lot more courage than most people, you're gonna, you know, ask around. I think most people would turn to social media first and ask for advice. I look at it this way. If I had disposable money, and I'm saying disposable money, I think I would take it back to the dealership for repair work, and maybe I would hunt around to some local places for different services. Say I had a flat tire, or I need an oil change or something like that. I wouldn't go to this dealership for everything, only because you are going to pay an arm and a leg no matter what. It's a charge to look at your car, it's a charge for this, it's a charge for that. Expensive. In most cases, you're going to get your car fixed right the first time. I will tell you that that's not always the case. You can search YouTube, that's fact. Your chances on getting your car fixed at a dealership 100% right the first time is probably just as likely as your most reputable aftermarket repair shop. And that's my opinion, and that's my feelings. Not saying anything bad about dealerships, but I see tons of misdiagnosis, tons of overselling. But yeah, so it depends on what is needed. But where would I go? I would say, if I had no clue about cars, I would probably go on social media and then go from there. I mean, I had a transmission shop that we've been using forever and ever and ever, and over the years the quality's diminished to the point where I couldn't even send my customers there. So then I send my son's Jeep out to a reputable repair shop based on, you know, people talking about it, and I'm not going to mention any names, but I've been back 4 times for issues with this transmission, and these guys, you know, are supposedly top notch. They know their stuff. The owner has, you know, top notch race car. He's not the one fixing the car. He may not know anything about transmissions. He may just be the money man or the brains. But yeah, so I left one shop for headaches and wound up at another. So, you know, this is for the guys that don't know everything and know everything about cars, or have a family member who does the repair work for them. Where do new drivers, or, you know, new vehicle owners or pre-owned vehicle owners choose to take their car, and why?